So this is a folder of artwork that I sent off to Oxford University Press on the 1st of September 1986. And today I'm going to show you inside. This is Lydia at the Shops. 9 pieces, that's all we got. And here we have on an overlay sheet, this is good old-fashioned paste up. You can see it's actually been cut to get the kerning, get a little less space in there. This is good old-fashioned photo set typography printed out onto film. And again here, and these little bits down here, all pasted up by hand in the old way. Lots of little notes in blue, so blue doesn't show up on the camera, and so you can do stuff in blue. Lots of little bits of Chinese as well. So it was sent out to China or Singapore to be printed. And unusually, I did this lettering for the covers. Lettering would normally be done by a designer with proper typeface and everything, but they obviously just liked it. And it became sort of part of the whole design in the end. And this is sort of showing kind of roughly what it should look like. So this is a setup, and again, this is a paste up of what the text should look like. So this is a guide, and where is it actually printed? Printed in Hong Kong. There we go. Even more of these. So this is the photocopy. A lot of manual hard work going on here. So this again is an overlay, and they've put another little piece of paper under there. So this is the title page sheet over there to make that nice and white, so that you can photograph that with the camera. Old-fashioned camera, it wouldn't have been scanned, and I've drawn all the lettering over the top with Rotring pen. And here we are, Lydia and I'm going off to the shops. And this doesn't look like Lydia, my niece. It doesn't look like my sister-in-law, but she did have a red Dershavo. And somehow it doesn't look too dated, I don't think. And here we are at the supermarket. Putting Lydia into the shopping trolley, and they're going off shopping. And I'm just so fascinated looking at these by how few strokes of the pen there are there, and it's really quite I wouldn't say rough, but minimal. And again, this is kind of a big one, so I would have known that this is where the staples are going, and it was a big open thing so that I can have a good double page spread there. And again, this is the lettering on the top on an overlay, and there they are. Lydia's reaching out for what she wants while Mum's not noticing. They come to the checkout, and again, that's on an overlay. The reason it's on an overlay is in case there are going to be foreign editions, and so they can print all the colours the same, and then you just have to change the one plate, the black plate, for the text, and that really cuts down the expenses. And again, I'm really impressed by how little pen work there is. And they're taking the shopping to the car. Oh, Mum's wondering, where did all these baked beans come from? It's because Lydia had them on her list, of course, because she. This is actually page 1, so they're making their lists. And there we are. That's it. That's the original artwork. Next time I will show you. Next time I'll show you Lydia and the present. Thanks for watching. Keep coming. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos and stuff about old artwork. In the meantime, keep drawing, doing artwork. I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.